Hi guys, it's Hanson from Fil-Am Brothers.
Hi guys, it's Colin from Fil-Am Brothers, and today we'll be showing you how to make quick, easy hot dogs. And first off, before you do anything with the ingredients, you're gonna want to go wash your hands first. So I'm gonna do right now. After that, I'm going to go over here to your ingredients, and here we have the hot dogs. These have already been boiled. Of course, boil the hot dogs. Now you're going to want to get your bun, obviously, and we have here ballpark buns, the best buns out there. Get one, obviously, and with these, get the hot dog in there like regular. And for me, I'm going to put cheese on mine, like these. Here we go.
Nice.
Now, Hazen's gonna make his.
And for me, I'm not a huge fan of cheese on my hot dogs, so I usually like onions on my hot dogs. Though those are usually really good. I'll get this in his bun. So, and I rip. So you just want to take this. These hot dogs are pre-boiled, so always boil hot dogs if you can, because it's always to me it's the healthiest way of cooking them. Now, what I just want to do is put these pre-chopped onions on top of this, and we're gonna put this in the toaster. Okay.
Now I'm gonna go over here to our toaster. Very convenient, easy to use. Line in, put the prepares in. There you go, close it up.
Plug it in.
Plug it in.
Yeah.
Here.
And then
Toast.
and we'll
after it is done toasting, we will come back to show you the final result. Hey guys, welcome back. And now, as you can see here, our hot dogs are done. Now I'm going to get my plate here. Now I'm going to open this up carefully. Bring it out. Cheese is nice and melted. There we go.
now what we're going to do to make this a bit healthier, since hot dogs aren't that good for your health, we're going to get some lettuce out of the refrigerator. So this is pre-chopped. So all we're gonna do now is we're just gonna put these pieces of lettuce. I'm gonna put these pieces of lettuce on my hot dog.
And for mine, I'm just gonna put it off to the side.
Yeah, I'm gonna put mine to the side as well. And
Now what we see here, the results of our hot dogs here. They look great. Yeah, and that's the results, and that will do it for the video. So please like and subscribe to our channel. Like this video. Make sure you comment any suggestions on what to do next. And yeah, we appreciate all your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.